Yo, what up? Today we will be upgrading the cargo lights on the Ram 1500. The bulb is a 921/912, produced by Rehu and is extremely bright. So here's a quick pic of the bulb. Once again, LEDs all around to include the top. Oh, excuse me. To include the top. I picked this bulb up online for about I'd say less than 20 bucks. So let's go outside for the install. All right, so we have removed the cargo light. All we're gonna do is just twist now with the old halogen bulb. Just gonna pop that out. We're gonna put the new LED bulb inside. All right. Now for the test, see if this works. I'm gonna use my keys, press the unlock button. All right, that thing is freaking bright. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but everything is working fine and it is very bright. So now all we're gonna do, take this, put it back in. Just rotate it. Now we're gonna pop out the other side. And repeat the process. Here's a comparison video with the halogen being on the left and the new LED on the right. It is pretty bright outside. It's like, what time it is? 1:30, so the sun is pretty high, pretty bright outside. But we will do a comparison at night, so you definitely can see the difference in these lights. So all you're gonna do is line everything up and pretty much just push it in until you hear that suction sound. Get your screws. Feed them in like so. I'm going to take you guys outside and we're going to see exactly how bright these lights are.